In example 2, we are asked which of the following graph is a function. Now, a very important concept in problem solving. Always remember, go back to basic concept. So here, before you answer the questions, you have to understand what is a function. So a function is a special type of relation where every object in the domain has only one image. So in example 2, we will need to use a vertical line test. Basically, this is to check and see if there are more than one image. Now this is the domain. So when you do a vertical line test, basically you will need to draw a line. So which means that for any object in the domain, let's say the object here, we call it x1. There is only one image. So for every object, there's only one image. So you can draw as many vertical lines as you want to. You will find that for every vertical line, there is only one image. So for this object x1, there's only one image. I call it y1. So this graph, it is a function. Now in this graph, it is not a function because for every object, so example, I call this x1, there is more than one image. So I have one image here, I have another image here. So this is y1, this is y2. For example, if x is equal to 2, y squared is 2 multiplied to 2, which is a 4, y is square root 4, which is plus minus 2. That means for any object, I have two images. So that means to say condition 2 is not fulfilled. To be a function, you must have only one image. Here, more than one image already. So this is not a function. And for part C, when you draw a vertical line, I only have one image. So for this object here, x1, I only got one image here. So these are objects in the domain. So these are the images in your codomain. So this is a function.